everybody, video 676 is just listed on Etsy and it is amazing and I'm guessing it will sell and I want another one with those colors. But that one I used airbrush. I may just blow on this one to get it started and then the airbrush if needed. And I don't have the exact yellow I used anymore in it. It was a mix of yellows and it's gone. So this is another mix of yellows, pretty bright yellow, so that's good. I've got the neon pink and primary blue, Liquitex Basic Primary Blue. This wasn't the exact blue either, but you know what? I think I'm going to use phthalo blue instead. Yeah, I'm going to use phthalo blue. And this is an 8x10 level 2 canvas from Michaels. There's a big chunk. The level 2 just refers to the fact that it is thinner than the level 3, but it is tucked in the back. It is not stapled. I actually really like the level 2s because they have more of a curve to the edge versus the level 3 where it's a sharp 90-degree edge. And I like the curve, especially if you are putting resin. The curve makes a much nicer surface, but I have not done resin in so long, but if you watched my last video, you already know that I need to do resin on 2 paintings that got ruined. And then there's a third that probably needs another coat. I'm going to try and clean it with glass cleaner. I can't tell what exactly is going on with that one. Normally I make a big puddle, but I think I'm just going to do dots. I don't know why. Because I can, I suppose. Maybe. God, I love that color. I need to buy more. I need to buy that, and I need to buy the Payne's Gray. If I have any roots, don't judge me. Perfect. Except for the incredible dizziness. Oh, good Lord. No. Oh my gosh, that is why I bought the airbrush. Oh my God, I'm so dizzy. The colors are exactly what I want, but the pattern is not. Oh my gosh, I'm so dizzy. There's a lot on here, so maybe I can tilt and get a different style. Sure makes a difference when I make my paint thicker. I don't know if I like it or not. I'm going to make a more forceful tilt though, because I don't want to be here all day with. Check out those cells though, just from blowing on it. I could add a little white and get it moving. So it really does need to be stretched out. Otherwise, it's gonna shrivel as it dries. I don't want that. See how this is all scrunched up? But like I'm tilting this way to get that to unscrunch. Meanwhile, this is all just re-scrunching. So I don't know. So you can see I'm doing a hard tilt and everything's moving. So I don't know if I'll be able to get any of that back. We will find out. I'm gonna say no. But you never do know. May as well tilt it off to this side since it's almost there. Alrighty, now for the test. Will it all go back to where I want it? Looks like there is. Whatever that was, I don't want it in there. It's sort of going back, but not how I wanted it. So we're just going to change it a little bit and start tilting in another direction. Still, others are stretching out, so you can see these. That, I'm just gonna ignore that. Colors are really pretty. Look at that orange. I may end up leaving it as is. I'm gonna leave it because the colors are really pretty. The pattern is pretty, and I don't want to keep stretching it because I don't want to ruin the good stuff. I'm really happy about this one. This one is way cool. Very, very cool. Yeah. See, I would have liked to stretch those out a little bit more. But it's beautiful. I'm happy with it. Those 3 colors. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.